Ever had one of those days where you just wish you could lie in bed with no responsibilities and have the world just leave you alone? You might think, if only the sun would stop shining so I could sleep in. Well, I'm here to tell you to be very careful what you wish for, because today we're exploring the ultimate what if. What if the sun just vanished? Not an eclipse, not a cloud, but a full-on celestial poof, gone. Spoiler alert, it would be the worst day in human history. And I'm not just talking about canceled beach plans. First things first, don't worry, you wouldn't see it happen. The sun is about 8 light minutes away. So information, even information as dramatic as I no longer exist, travels at the speed of light. For a full 8 minutes and 20 seconds, life would be deceptively normal. You'd be scrolling on your phone, maybe making a sandwich, completely unaware that the universe has just fired its CEO. Then, darkness. Not the gentle fade of sunset, but an instant total blackout. 1 second you're in daylight, the next, you're standing under a sky filled with stars. And I mean filled. With no sunlight to wash them out, the Milky Way would be blazingly, terrifyingly beautiful. But here's the real kicker. We'd also lose the sun's gravity at the exact same time. So in that same instant we're plunged into darkness, Earth stops its curved orbit and shoots off in a straight line, like a ball released from a slingshot. We'd become a lone, frozen spaceship hurtling through the void. Now, you might be thinking, okay, darkness, big deal. We have electricity. And for a little while, that's true. But the party's over fast. Within a week, the average surface temperature would plummet to about 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Within a year, it would hover around minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than Antarctica on its coldest day. The oceans would freeze over, but not all at once. First, a thick layer of ice would form on the surface, creating a bizarre, slushy globe. But the real drama is in the atmosphere. With no heat, the air itself will begin to condense and fall as snow. Not water snow, but air snow. Literal blizzards of liquid nitrogen and eventually liquid oxygen. The air pressure would drop to virtually nothing, making it impossible to breathe without a pressurized suit. So forget about going outside to build a snowman. That snowman is made of death. And the food chain? It collapses instantly. No sun means no photosynthesis. Plants die, then the animals that eat plants die, then the animals that eat those animals die. The only survivors will be creatures deep in the ocean near hydrothermal vents who've never seen the sun in the first place. So congratulations to the tube worms. They win the last life on Earth championship. So where does that leave us? Humanity's final chapter. At first, we'd huddle around geothermal and nuclear power sources. Iceland would become the hottest real estate in the world, until it too froze solid. We could probably last for a few decades in bunkers powered by fission reactors, growing food under artificial lights. But here's the depressing part. There's no long-term solution. Our resources are finite, our machinery will break down, and with the entire planet sealed under a mile-thick ice sheet, there's no more mining, no more drilling, no more anything. Society would slowly, inevitably, wind down to nothing. We die in the dark, in the colds, on a planet that was once a vibrant oasis. Now just another frozen rock, tumbling through the endless night. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go outside and appreciate it. Maybe get a little sunburn. It's better than the alternative.